So today I will be cleaning my bike with Pedalit, Splendor and Resurrection. I'm going to show you how to clean a bike. Actually no, I'm going to show you how I clean my bike with Asian Zens. Got a foam cannon. I'm going to spray this bad boy down. Just like that, we let it soak. Slowly let this soak for about 5 minutes time. It's still coming off. Ew. Now just remember, I'm using a pressure washer at my own risk. They say you don't do it. No, they say you shouldn't do it, but I'm doing it at my own risk. So make sure you stay far away when you pressure wash it so you don't get them in your bearings. Now it's time to agitate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks alright. It's time to get brushing. Oh, yeah. Pretty good to me. Now time to dry. Thanks for watching. One of you guys asked for this video and I will now deliver, which I already have. Please check out pedalit.com along with cometcycles.com. For any more information, please don't be afraid to leave a message or question in the comments and I'll get you sorted out. Thanks guys and I'll see you next video. Oh, bye!